Here I have OPPO Reno6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps which you don't use in this moment, they can eat out your device's memory and cause it to run slower. So what you can do to close them all at once, if you have set up 3 buttons, navigations, you just have to tap on the recent button and you can access recent section. But if you have the gesture navigation, you just slide like this with your finger to access its settings. Here you can view all of these opened apps. So just tap on this close all button, and after that all of these apps will be closed, and as you can see, no recent tasks here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.